complain to the manager, but as I saw her roll in one day, listening to music with the window down, I felt I didn't have anyone to say anything to. So, not bad. I'll have to, like I said, take this apart later with the angle grinder. Get these ends off, but this is all copper in here. This is shellacked in here. I might just cut these ends off, or this end off, get this aluminum and turn this in with like small copper bearing motors. Instead of trying, I mean, I have attempted to get this copper off here. It is doable, but they put so much lacquer finish on it to seal it in. Why? Anywho, it is doable, but it takes a while too, just because of how much shellac they put on here. So I'm going to start saving these just for copper bearing motors, turn them in that way. It's not even close to what you get if you took it off, but time saved, I think, will make the difference. Yeah, I could, if I was going to, well, I could still do that. I could just throw this whole piece into a crucible, and melt it down. The aluminum would melt, and this motor would just be sitting there with all the parts on it, all the steel parts and copper. Probably be blackened from all the shellac, but then it'd probably, I have a feeling aluminum would get all in here and it'd be not worth it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this end off, keep these pieces, put that in with my small stash of cast aluminum I got off here. No stainless steel though, as I found out. Oh, hey, where'd you come from? Oh, as I found out, that plate is just very shiny, magnetic. And I got a couple wires out of here. I got this. Whoa! Oh, I got this out of here. And then, of course, I got this giant cord I'll have to go through. But that's going to take a minute to strip. There's 3 copper bearing wires in there, so that's awesome. I'll just with my I gotta get a better stripper. I'll go ahead and take this apart with this, and that's why it's going to take a minute. This video would be another 20 minutes of me just doing this cable, but I did get most of the copper out of the motor. Well, let's just say it was a copper bearing motor. That's, oh yeah, you may have spoke too soon, because you never know, because it's shiny. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's also copper. Nice. So it is a fully copper bearing motor. That's just cool. Heavy too. Let's throw that in the growing stash. Definitely a king's ransom. Alrighty. I think that's enough for one day. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.